I can't do too much of this. Hi, babe.
Hi. Oh, this is me.
I don't do pictures, you know that. Brittany's hard at work. She's getting the designing done. Stuart's here. What's up, Stuart? What it is, Stuart?
What's up?
So, what's going on today in the red car is I'm replacing the slave cylinder and I'm putting in a Clutchmaster's clutch delay valve.
Why?
To save driveline.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm running stock shit in the back, you know? Stock axles, stock ZF transmission,
Okay.
stock diff.
That makes me sad, but okay.
What do you mean? It's okay. It's Denofa runs them in his stuff. He said you should run them, you know, because I got a triple disc, so he said you should run them in stock driveline E36s, especially like, you know, ones with more power like mine.
Well, that's one guy you definitely can't argue with when it comes to that, but
No, definitely not.
I wouldn't do it.
Well, I'm putting the biggest orifice in it, so it's hardly delaying much.
Okay.
It's really just to slightly soften the clutch kicks, that's all.
Yeah, I mean, it makes sense, yeah.
You know, just so there's a little bit less shock on the driveline and save the parts. Save the axles, the diff, the transmission. The drive shaft's fine though, because I have a nice drive shaft. But yeah, we're getting it ready for going drifting. Gonna go to USDrift's winter shootout, right?
Yeah, buddy.
We'll see how that goes. It might be part of this video, who knows? I don't. I just film and see what happens. We were under here messing with the slave cylinder and discovered that the lollipop for the passenger side is twisted. So my camber, or my caster, is definitely screwed up on the passenger side. It should look like that. I think I can probably take it down and hit it and it'll twist back down around, we'll see. But we're gonna finish this one first. I still gotta take the clutch line off of here and then it will go into here. And then this will go into here. The old one off. Got this drip pan here. Oh, my head. Ouch. Fine, it's right, the rubber. Just smack my head into the back of this thing. Stuart's over there laughing at me. Shit. Justin got me this drain cart here. Thank you, Justin. Bavarian Genius, hashtag, or no, at Bavarian Genius, you know what I'm saying? Good stuff, look at that, no more mess. Well, after only a little bit of investigation, we discovered that this is the problem. It just spins completely by itself very easily. So the idea, Stuart came up with it, we're gonna hit it from two spots here, right on each side. Drill it. It's windy out there today, isn't it? My goodness. So we're gonna drill 2 10 mils into this, or 8 mils or something, to pin it, keep it from spinning. We'll see how it goes. Oh, she's walking. Ah, it's got a glove.
You okay?
Yeah, it's good.
Jeez.
It went right in through there.
That could have been bad.
It wasn't on. Be all right, we'll live. Nothing I haven't done before. Okay, this isn't playing around. We were able to get this thing off, and now we're gonna drill press it, because I have a drill press, why not? Make life a little easier that way. Get into the plastic. So there it is, boys and girls, mostly boys, according to the analytics. We got like 1 girl for every 1,000 boys. There it is, got the through bolt, and it's tightened down, and it's it's not moving there, so that's good. It's moving on here a lot, so this is definitely gonna wear out, but it'll get us through the track day. That's the main thing. Just realized I'm wearing the AMA shirt. Gotta shout out my boy Alan Harsher, check him out. Just cause, he's a cool dude, and why not? He did a raffle or whatever. I saw the video after it had aired and I was gonna be involved, and I told him that, and he's like, what's your address? Sent. Since all my stuff's broken, we're gonna take Stuart's car to Walmart and get his oil. Oh shit, that hurt. I found the seat buckles. Welcome to Premium Fuel Magazine, or whatever YouTube channel you want people to subscribe to.
Yeah, that's the only one.
Just Premium Fuel Mag?
Premium Fuel Mag.
I'm trying to put these things on. That's what that was.
6-point. Oh.
Got them all. Safety first, then teamwork.
Yep.
Cold, everything's cold. Tires are spinning. Hurry up and wait at the red light. Who is that?
Hey, I run a car meet in Annapolis called AMM.
AMM?
Yeah, we got our season opener coming up on April 4th. If you want to come out.
You on Instagram?
Facebook is what I primarily use, but we got IG too.
It's AMM?
AMM meets.
AMM meets?
Yeah, I'm expecting about 10K, 10,000.
We'll look it up.
We had about 7 last year.
Cool.
Yeah.
Look up
man.
Thomas Miata.
Huh?
Thomas Miata.
Thomas Miata?
Yep.
I got you, man.
All right. I'll tell you about my secret recipe of oil, guys. This is what I run in all my race cars now, and I'll tell it to you when we get inside. Stuart parks as far as possible away from the doors. I think he doesn't want carts or something rolling into the car. You know, that makes sense. Makes sense. I can dig it. Straight to the oil. What are you doing?
It's not slime. What is that? It is slime.
You got distracted by this?
Yes. I like toys.
Okay, interesting. I saw some kids steal a bike once. They just walked out without paying, and then they just rode them away. Oh, sorry.
Oh, you got a nice and shady.
Wow. This way for the oils. Stuart keeps getting distracted.
That's better than the home.
You keep getting distracted by stuff.
It's Walmart, man.
Okay, so ingredient number 1, Stuart guessed correctly in the car, is definitely, you're gonna want one of these for your oil change.
You don't buy the synthetic?
No, you just do an oil change every event.
Okay, cool. I'll rock with that.
And then, over here, we're gonna create a camera loop. Oh, they're out of it. What the hell? It's like people come here and buy the shit that I want. Okay, the other ingredient would have been the high mileage 1030 T6, man. You can get the full synthetic. It's like someone came here and bought all the 1030.
Well, that's what they do. Like,
No, which filter? I always get the Walmart filter because it's literally the same filter. It's the exact same filter. They just put a Walmart stamp on it instead of a GM stamp.
Miata oil package.
Yeah, he's gonna do the exact same thing I'm doing. Boom. This is how you do it with an LS, guys. It's like the cheapest. It's bang for your buck, I think, with the best protection for the money. Really, the Lucas is where that's at. Not sponsored. So what were your thoughts on that particular experience, Stuart?
Hey, man.
That fucking guy took forever. That snail's pace also smelled like he lived out in the woods. It was pretty bad. But hey, you know, at least he did his job. Got us out of there. Could have been worse. Sometimes that place is closed.
Hold on, you gotta see this.
What do you got? GM Classy.
As long as it leaks, I'm gonna need fluids.
That's true. So that was me, guys. That fleck of paint right there. Hashtag sorry. I'm an asshole. We're here, guys. What's up? How goes it?
It goes.
It goes. Boss.
Where's Stuart?
Stuart's out in the car. Where you at, Stuart?
Yeah.
I see him.
What up? What's up, Justin?
We're in the house. Bavarian genius. Go back to.
Hello.
Hello?
What is this dog?
He's a 4-legged dog.
It's a baby eater.
Hit great things.
Stuck those in the mix. We threw them against the wall, and she threw them up there 2 days ago,
Yeah, it's been 2 days.
and they've not moved at all. Like not even a little bit.
Nothing. How hot did it get when the fan wasn't on?
Like the worst I've done to it is like 240. So
It's not too bad. It's not too bad. We're finding some curious signs of water in the oil, potentially.
it's mayonnaise.
It's not good. That, and we're doing, we're still working on my car, but Stuart's going to change. He's going to pull the oil here. Luckily, we were already in the process of doing that, so we can at least get an idea of what the oil looks like. Hopefully, it's just condensation and moisture, because you didn't drive this thing for a really long time, right? It's been sitting for a while.
Yeah.
Possibly.
Driveway. That's the other thing. Like
Just short starts. And
if you don't drive it and it doesn't warm up, then you get more condensation. So.
Fingers crossed. I mean, you got to get it home tonight, and you can check the oil again tomorrow, and you'll know for sure then. Definitely know for sure then.
I mean, if the oil looks good now, then it's going to the event. So.
Oh yeah.
Then we'll see.
Hopefully the oil looks good now, but if
Yeah.
I think it's gonna have a little bit of stuff at the end because of the dipstick had a little bit of stuff on it. A little greasy. It used to be so clean. Nothing a lift and a couple of cans of brake.
Looks all right.
You don't make that assumption quite yet.
It looks nice and metallic. Oh my goodness, that's not good.
No.
Jeez, man.
That looks copper, which means you're already through the bearing. If it was an old pan and you didn't do a good job cleaning it.
Yeah, because I didn't take it fully apart.
You didn't?
No.
Oh, you just got a giant magnet on the bottom.
Yeah.
Interesting. Yeah, you might got lucky with that. I mean, I'm not seeing any signs of like a lot of water in this oil at this point.
All right.
That Walmart special. We'll see if it won't save this bastard. Fingers crossed that it's something else.
Not concerned yet.
You're not concerned yet?
No.
Not after that oil change?
Could be in denial.
So, Stuart had 50 PSI of idle oil pressure, so that'll be the goal for the weekend. We'll see how that goes. He's topping it up now. We filled up the AccuSump already.
It'll take a little bit more.
A little bit more. So what, that'll put you right at about 8?
I don't know.
We did 5 and then the 1, so that's 6.
Yeah, 6.
Now this will be about 2.
Yeah.
So it's about 8, which is the same that my Miata takes. I'm gonna get to that eventually too. I did the oil change on it, and it didn't look very good, but ethanol life. So yeah, we'll see. If you've been following the Instagram story, we're at this point now. We've got the clutch bled successfully, all right. And I'm just gonna zip tie this so that it's not banging around too much. Next up's gonna be the seat. Got to get that red OMP seat over there installed. It's got some bottom mount brackets. I don't know, I might cut what's on there and just weld that right to the car or something. I don't know, we'll figure it out. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the Grivas on the car. I think they're gonna last a really long time. I'm wearing the hearing protection because it's kind of keeps my ears warm. A little bit cold in here. I'm not wearing exactly the right clothes. They're a little thin, so just trying to stay warm and get this knocked out. Once I get the tires on the car, I'm gonna lower it down and we're gonna start working on that seat and see how that goes. Got the seat done. Get some light on this. Got the red seat in there. The red seat's the one where you whack your legs. So, only sit in this one at your own risk. All the black seats are relatively more safe than that. Drifting, not exactly the safest sport, but I'm gonna do my best to make this thing as safe as possible with the limited space that I have. I didn't want to cut the cage out and compromise the safety of rolling over. A couple of bruised shins is better than being crushed by the roof. At least I think so. I'll bring the laptop with me. It'll be kind of a test and tune day. And once the car is actually figured out, then we can actually start taking passengers in it. Cool deal. See you guys at USDrift. Yeah. All right, guys, thanks for sticking it out. Now I'm gonna reveal that drawing Brittany was working on at the beginning of the video. It's a sneak peek, it's not done. And if you have any suggestions, make sure you leave it in the comments below. Also, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, tell your friends to subscribe. We still haven't hit 3,000 yet. If you make it under 3,000 and you have your YouTube set to public, I can put you on the car. That's not even on there yet. So stay tuned for more. it's just a big step, I guess, for the channel. It's kind of out in the open about it, for sure. Not a lot of people gonna do that. I'm just looking forward to it, for sure. It's going to be very interesting to see the reaction. And, you know, with the times and everything, I think people may not even really care with the coronavirus out there and all that. Which, by the way, guys, stay safe. I'm definitely locking myself in pretty good. And yeah, so stay safe out there, guys. Let me know what you think. I'm really, really excited to see what you guys think. Anybody that stuck it out this long in the video, you know, 15, 16 minutes in at this point is a trooper for sure. So thank you, guys. And the next video is going to be me actually drifting at the event. This was just the prep video. So look forward to, I really look forward to that. I love drifting videos. I got a lot of cell phone footage. I got a lot of GoPro footage and stuff. So it should be an awesome video. But yeah, good stuff, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Look forward to seeing you on the next one.